So we've converted the basement into the new laboratory for skateboard truck manufacturing. And we've just retrofitted the shop with a TIG welding setup that we can weld aluminum, stainless, and all sorts of ferrous and non-ferrous metals.
This is your new machine?
This is our sweet little Everlast inverter TIG welding machine. And we got our nice sweet honey bottle of argon. Can't do anything special without the argon, baby. Yeah, we got a new welding machine at school that cost $11,000 and it stands this tall. And this thing welds. I mean, it can do exactly what that thing does, just not as thick.
Slide
these are my nice gloves. These are actually kid skin.
Like real kids?
Real kids.
So just making more base plates for Rojas.
Yep. And now that we got a good welding machine.
So you're just making different angles?
Yep. This one's gonna be a 25, and I've got a 20 and a 30 in the works.
So all low angles.
Yeah. Because they come stock with a 50.
Or is it 50?
Oh, I'm sorry, 45.
Okay, but it is 50 on our setup because it's wedged.
On the
on our wedged board.
Which I thought was a little excessive.
Too exciting for you. So the room's gonna dim. What you're saying?
Yeah, and I think the lights will flash too. It's like it goes discotheque. I can't totally tell because I'm under the hood, but I'm pretty sure it gets crazy.
Okay.
At least it did. Oh, let's find out here. Watch.
What? What?
I have no idea why it does that.
So when you weld, you get a free light show, then you can't.
It's time
Okay, ready to go.
Disco. Oh man, it's funny. Whatever.
Looks a lot nicer than the welds.
A lot better than these.
Yeah, a lot better than those. Better welder? Is that what you're saying?
Cool. I don't think that's going anywhere. So, the Everlast welding machine truly is working amazing. I'm stoked, and we've already demonstrated that we can fulfill our needs with both aluminum and steel to create, the objects that we're...
So that's the old one.
Yeah, this is the old one, using the flux core Harbor Freight MIG welder. And the new one got whisked away somewhere. Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah, we got the bushing on it even.
And this one already has the holes drilled for the base
and you
plate.
change the design, so you literally use 3 pieces of metal. You use an angle iron that's cut at the angle you want.
Mm-hmm.
And you pre-drill it with all the holes, so it's all square.
And we do all our drilling in the mill, the vertical mill. Mm-hmm. So we're literally lining up the center, and we're rotating. We're counting off the distances of all the holes so that we're making sure it all lines up and is centered. And to make sure that the whole piece, after it's been cut and mitered, is vertical, we just use angle iron.
Which reduces...
And that way it just always is 90 degrees to the base plate.
Yeah.
And then all we have to do is just make sure that the angle is correct, but because we mitered it, we're just making sure it lays flat against that surface.
Mm-hmm.
And we've hit our angle, it stays vertical, and the pins are all lined up perpendicular to the base plate.
So it's the world's easiest truck to make.
here it is. You're looking at it. And from here, it's just a matter of bolting on the existing Roha hanger, and we've got ourselves a 25-degree Roha base plate.
Very nice.
And the opportunity to weld it out of aluminum now is a reality with this awesome new welding setup. And we should be able to make some ultra light, ultra sophisticated base plates that...
And we'll be able to move on to the hanger itself.
Well, is that a possibility? Maybe!
It could be, in fact.
So stay tuned. We're always making radical new stuff, and we're now working with even cooler new tools.
Yeah. Oh, and then next week is, well, 2 weeks from now is the OR show. So
there's always some fun stuff going on with that.
So check in for that as well.
This is Longboard technology, always pushing the envelope. Hit me with the AC!